So, why actually we need cloud computing instead of traditional dedicated or on-site servers and storage? Let's take a look at the pillars of the move to the cloud. First up is flexibility. Cloud computing is very flexible compared to the legacy on-site systems because you can easily scale up and down according to your growing business. You only pay for the actual resources you use. However, with a traditional on-site system, you would have to manage your load and scale all by yourself, and it comes at a cost. Disaster recovery is another fundamental aspect of move to the cloud. With a traditional system, you generally put recovery aside and can't always have a full backup of your system so you can get back to the business as usual. With backup and disaster management features of cloud environments, you won't even have to think about backups and recovery. You don't have to invest large amounts of upfront money and be assured that it's much better than your on-site backup solutions. Automatic software updates somewhat a core feature of cloud environments, and you don't even have to pay a single dollar to stay up to date. All your services and software you consume is automatically updated to the latest and greatest version of it, so all you need to do is take care of your business. Infrastructure takes care of all behind the curtains, so you don't have to do anything. As we discussed earlier, there is no large upfront investment. With the advancement of cloud technologies and platforms, there is no initial fee or anything involved in the first step. You're assigned to the resources you need and you're only charged for those that you consume. This is a great flexibility in contrast to an on-premise hardware and software, because that way you would have to buy all the software and hardware one by one, and you would have to assign a system administrator to set things up and maintain the whole thing. It's not the case with the cloud. It's much simpler. Increased collaboration is another great feature of cloud computing, because even completely separated teams can also work on same documents or projects very easily. They can see changes made by someone else instantly and react to it in no time. And this also helps with the visibility of people working on the project. Working from anywhere is also an aspect everyone loves about cloud computing. All you need is an active internet connection and boom, you're in the cloud. Simple as that. Studies show that over 50% of workers prefer to work with cloud environments where they can communicate and work in much collaboration. Document control has always been a problem in any work environment. You send them over the email, someone makes a change and send it back to you, and so on. It's a real problem because it's hard to keep track of things. With cloud computing, anyone sees the same and original version of the document and everyone can keep track of it very easily. Security is another concern for the move to the cloud, because if you lost a laptop or hard drive, you would jeopardize your business, and that's definitely not something you want. With the extensive security measures of cloud environments, you don't have to worry about your data. You can even wipe everything in the cloud with just a click of a button. Nothing to worry about. Competitiveness is also important in the age of digital business. Everyone wants to go digital, but being competitive enough to make it to the scene is not possible without cloud these days. Besides competition, cloud gives you an edge to work with other companies and businesses too, because collaboration is easy. Finally, environment must be the top concern for any business. A business must be profitable to survive. However, money is not everything. With scaling and on-demand features of cloud computing, you only fire up the system when you need it. It's not the same as having a server connected and running all the time like a dedicated system. This list can go on and on, but these are just the important facts for move to the cloud. In the next video, we'll talk about the platform concept in the cloud, so I'll see you in there.